back to the Genesis Principle Fine Art. I'm Alton Jones. As you can see, the babies are gone. They're out of this tank. I've actually transferred them to another aquarium downstairs, just so that I can grow them out and start to do some selecting from those babies, keeping the best ones that have the greatest potential of becoming a red Texas. And these guys are back in this aquarium now. I placed them back in here, getting them ready again to breed. So I did post a picture of the female, showing her with a looking pale, so I wanted to show what she looks like in normal color, and that's her there. That's a female King Kong Parrot. I was saying that it's a blood red female, or red, they call it super red King Kong. So that's what she looks like now. This is her normal color. It gets even more brilliant than this, but this is pretty much her normal color. On the side there you can see a spot. That's where the male actually got her there, flicked off some of her scales, so that's what that spot is on the side. But this is what she looks like. And of course you've seen my Carpintis Escondido male a few times now. So that's him, that's them. So they're getting ready to breed again. I use that clay plate. That's what I typically breed them in. It's where she lays her eggs, and then the male fertilizes them in that plate. So I just thought I'd give another shot of what they look like before they breed in their normalcy. So this is them. Check it out. Thank you also for always checking in my channel. Again, just a reminder to continue to share the videos if you can, and to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next painting video. I'm hard at work on this yellow face painting, trying to get it complete so I can show you a bit of that, and if I can get it dried off and varnished and then post that, I'll do that. If not, then I'll post it before it's varnished and framed, and then after it's framed I'll also do another posting so you can see what that looks like after it's varnished and dried, or dried and varnished and framed. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video hopefully. And have a Merry Christmas. If I don't post before that, I'll try to, but if I don't, have a Merry Christmas. And also, something I should mention as well, for those who might, I'm assuming a lot by saying a person who is homeless or is alone would have a place and a cell phone or television or computer. But if you're in a position where you've lost your loved ones, if you're by yourself, you're having a hard time dealing with the challenges of COVID, just if this is a rough time of year for you, being without family or even with family, but you're having some challenges, feel free to reach out to me if you would like to. Feel free to reach out to me. We can talk. If you need a word of encouragement, if you just need someone to be there to go through this time of year, feel free to reach out to me. I'm open to that. Alright? I'll see you. Take care, and God bless.